You're watching DevCentral's coverage of RSA 2023. I'm Aubrey King with DevCentral, and today I'm joined by Giuseppe Damiano from Entrust. How you doing today, Giuseppe?
Hi, how are you? So I'm fine. So very excited to be at the RSA conference. That's amazing event. Very nice.
Absolutely. It's an amazing week for sure every year. And I guess probably all of our community members know who Entrust is and what they do, but we've had a very long-standing partnership for HSM. So I figured I'd give just an opportunity to let the community know what new is coming with Entrust HSM.
Okay, so we released a new HSM, which is Ensure 5, our new HSM, which we consider ready for the cloud environments. We are introducing what we call multitenancy, so the possibility to share multiple HSM instances in the same physical box. We are improving the capability of the HSM to scale on container environments. If you have thousands or hundreds of thousands applications, you can easily scale and use the HSM cluster in an easier way. And we are also evolving in terms of cloud adoption. We are migrating our API to the REST environment, which is easier to be consumed from the cloud application. And so we are incentivizing the user cloud environment in which you can share the same physical cluster for different use cases, different domains, using container environment and using REST API. So the HSM is moving to the cloud.
That's outstanding. We have seen a little bit of that ourselves. So a lot of our customers have been moving to the cloud as well. And, one of the things that we're seeing is some desire because of the old keys in the cloud quandary that some customers are putting HSMs in places like Equinix. Is that something that is, our customers can investigate with Entrust as well?
Oh, yes, of course. So they could use our HSM from external providers like Equinix, or they could also use our Ensure as a service cloud software, which means that we host our HSM in our own premises. They are managed by our engineers, and the customer can use like a cloud service without any scare about managing the technology. This is something very easy for our customer.
That's cool. I think that's kind of going to be the way of the future because I think customers still aren't trusting putting their keys in those cloud environments just yet, from what we've seen. Another one, have you guys ventured into a virtual edition? Is it possible for a customer to bring up an Entrust virtual machine, even just to test their environments?
We are primarily focusing to propose and SaaS. Could be used for production or for testing or for whatever. You don't have to consider the HSM like problem, like an app. You have a cloud service. So we don't propose any virtual because we consider which is not secure.
Okay, yeah, fair enough. I mean, it's really hard to do SSL virtual anyways. I mean, much less things like FIPS. That's really challenging. Okay, well then the other thing that I'm curious about, I see a lot of the news here seems to be around generative AI, but surprisingly to me, the big one that I've seen has been post-quantum crypto. That has been like a huge topic already so far at RSA. What can our community expect from Entrust in terms of post-quantum compute?
Okay, so we already released an SDK for our customers that can testing and familiarize with the post-quantum. So we are offering new algorithms, could be used from our HSM. In the meantime, we are investing on creating a post-quantum platform, HSM platform. So our Ensure 5 is already ready for the post-quantum readiness. We will offer for early adopter a new HSM that will be upgraded in the field with new features to the HSM protect against post-quantum attacks and to offer new algorithms to protect security assets on the application side.
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us today, Giuseppe. It was great to meet you. And, we look forward to more partnership from Entrust through time. Again, thanks for watching DevCentral's coverage of RSA 2023. I'm Aubrey with DevCentral. Have a great F5 day.